Hey artist, welcome back to my channel Learn with Sketch and Craft. Today we are going to draw a super cute minion. So grab your marker and let's start drawing together. First draw two big round circles close to each other for the eyes. Inside each eyes draw a small circle for the pupil. Draw a bigger circle around each eyes and connect them in the middle. Now we draw two circles and dark them. Sketch a tall oval. Now draw a line going from goggles to each side of the head. Draw a soft curved smile. Draw a horizontal curved line across the belly for the belt of dress. Draw one button on each side. Now we complete our Minion's dress. Draw a rounded bottom for the body. Two small rectangular leg shape. Add simple curve arm on both sides. At the end of each hand, draw three little fingers for the glove. Sketch rounded shoe shape under the legs. Draw a small square pocket in the middle of dress. Add the Minion's logo if you want. Finally, add tiny straight hairs on the top of head. Now it's time to color. I'm using brown color in eyes. I'm using pencil for giving the grey color on goggles. I am using dark grey on belt. Use yellow color for the body. Put blue color on the dress. black color on gloves and shoes. Great job, we have completed our drawing. If you enjoy this, hit like and subscribe for more easy drawings. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.